one and all. Respected dignitaries and my dear friend, myself Deepthi Patgaonkar, doing PhD in Home Science. Today I am presenting my pre-PhD course seminar on consequences of Krishi Vigyan Kendra intervention for development of farm women in Aurangabad district. Agriculture sector employs 80% of economically active women in India. Among that, 32% of agriculture labor force and 48% of the self-employed farm women. Then also farm women are not recognized as employed or hired laborers. And so appropriate technology through a specific institutes for the development of farmers and farm women is essential. And farmers and farm women developed through Krishi Vigyan Kendra has shown to be a unique social process. And Krishi Vigyan Kendra is a scientific institution which is working for the development of farming community in overall India, and it plays very important role to accelerate the agriculture production and also enhance the socio-economic status of farming communities, and aim to assess the local specific technologies in agriculture and allied enterprises through technology assessment, refinement and demonstration for farm women of farming community. Capacity building and empowerment of farm women to manage the technology is only possible alternative for increasing their family income and uphold the standard of living. Farm women are more engaged in farm communities as compared to male counterpart. Hence, Indian Council of Agriculture Research has decided to establish more Krishi Vigyan Kendra in country. It is necessary to evaluate the Krishi Vigyan Kendra different activities, especially farm women concerned interventions, so that useful recommendation for future improvement can be made by expert. The present study will definitely throw some light for the betterment of the farm women for making them technologically sound, leading to increased crop production, productivity, as well as development of their personality. An objective for this seminar is to study the socio-economic status of selected farm women, comparative study between selected beneficiaries and non-beneficiaries farm women in respect to knowledge and adoption of KVK interventions, to assess the impact of KVK in selected intervention in terms of economically empowerment of selected beneficiaries and non-beneficiaries farm women, to find out the constraint perceived by farm women during adoption of KVK selected intervention, to collect the suggestions made by the farm women to improve the effectiveness and utility of KVK intervention. Methodology for this study is local of the study is the KVK Aurangabad, and total sample selection for 400 with from 2 tehsil and 4 villages, 200 beneficiaries from beneficiaries of KVK and 200 non-beneficiaries of KVK. Research design is ex post facto. Sampling procedure is prepare the structured questionnaire, and finalization with the pilot studies, and data will be collected with the help of personal interview. Collected data will be statistically analyzed with the Z-test, correlation with independent and dependent variables, and independence variables is independent variables like age, education, family size, annual income, like that, and dependent variables is the knowledge, adoption and impact of the technology, and after that interpretation of data will be done. Outcome of this study is there is no relationship between demographic profile of selected beneficiaries with knowledge gain and level of adoption of KVK intervention. There is an association between demographic profile of selected beneficiaries with knowledge gain and level of adoption of KVK intervention. There is a significant difference between beneficiaries and non-beneficiaries regarding knowledge and adoption of technology, which is given by the Krishi Vigyan Kendra. There is a significant differences between beneficiaries and non-beneficiaries about impact of technology on overall development of farm women. So finally, it will conclude that beneficiaries farm women will enhance their knowledge regarding agriculture allied technologies and also will adopt most of the technologies for overall development of farm women as compared to non-beneficiaries farm women. Due to adoption of scientific technology, farm women will get recognition in the society and also will economically empowered. Thanks a lot.